Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 6.1 question number 6. In each of the following pairs, which number is to the right of the other on the number line? There are two numbers 2 and 9. You have to say which number is to the right of the other. How will you know? You see this is 0. If you go from this direction to the right, if you go to the right, this is right. That is the number of increasing. Here you see that is 0, 1, 2, number is increasing. It is increasing. Increasing, right? And if we go to the left, if we go to the left of the side, the number is, this is left, then it is decreasing, right? This is decreasing. That means if you go to the right, it will be increasing, and if we go to the left, it will be decreasing, right? Here you see there are two numbers 2 and 9. First of all, you have to find which one is greater. 2, that means 9 is greater, right? 9 is greater. Therefore, you can say that 9 is to the right of 2. Here also you can say that 6, 7, 8, 9. That is 6, 7, 8, and it is 9. You see 9 is to the right of 2, right? The greater number will be to the right of the other, right? The greater number. Which one is greater? 9 is greater than 2. Therefore, you can say that 9 is on the right side, of 2. The number which is greater will be on the right side, and the number which is on the left will be less, right? Therefore 9 is greater. Therefore we can say that 9 is on the right side of 2. Question number B, minus 3 and minus 8. You see minus 3 and minus 8. Minus 8, minus 3 is greater, right? Minus 3 is greater. Therefore you can say that minus 3, the number which is greater is on the right side. Therefore minus 3 is on the right side, on the right side of minus 8, side of minus 8. Now question number C, 0 and minus 1. Which one is greater? In this direction we say 0 is greater than minus 1. Therefore 0 is greater than minus 1. Therefore we can say that 0 is on the right side. 0 is on the right side of minus 1. Here you see that is here minus 1, that is 0 on the right side of minus 1, right? Question number D. Question number D is minus 11 and 10. Which one is greater? 10 is greater. Minus 11 is less than 10, or you can say 10 is greater than minus 11. Therefore 10 is on the, therefore 10 is on the right side, right side. 10 is on the right side of minus 11, right? 10 is on the right side of minus 11. E, minus 6 and 6. First of all, you have to find which one is greater. That is 6 is greater than minus 6. 6 is greater, or minus 6 is less than 6, 6 is greater, therefore you can say that 6 is on the right side of minus 6. 6 is on the right side, right side, right side of minus 6, right? If 1 and minus 100, right? F is 1 and minus 100. That is, which one is greater? You have to find out. That is, 1 is greater. This is question F. Find out which one is greater. You see, 1 is greater. That is, minus 100 is less than 1, or you can say that 1 is greater than minus 100. Therefore, you can say that 1 is on the right side of minus 100. 1 is on the right side, right side of minus 100, right? This is the solution of question number 6. Let us repeat again once again. Exercise 6.1. In each of the following pairs, which number is to the right of the other on the number line? The number which is greater, that will be on the right side, right? Here you see, on the right it is increasing, on the left it is decreasing, right? Therefore, 9 is greater than 2, therefore 9 is on the right side of 2. Minus 3 is greater than minus 8, therefore minus 3 is on the right side of minus 8. 0 is greater than minus 1, therefore 0 is on the right side of minus 1, right? And 10 is greater than minus 11, therefore you can say that 10 is on the right side of minus 11. 6 is greater than minus 6, therefore 6 is on the right side of minus 6. And 1 is greater than minus 100, therefore 1 is on the right side of minus 100. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video. And also press the notification bell such that you will get the uploaded videos immediately. Thank you.